Subscribe to our channel. Invisible Selfie Stick, Extendable, Ultra Long, by Insta360. Review. Are you looking for extra long selfie stick, multi-angle, lightweight, and convenient to take in storage and traveling? Invisible Selfie Stick, by Insta360, has been specifically designed to help you take close and wide-angle shots in your outdoor adventures or action sports. Why choose Invisible Selfie Stick by Insta360? You need a selfie stick to get those perfect pictures of you and your friends, to cherish those unforgettable moments in your life. Imagine, you don't have to ask strangers to take your picture, because now, you can do it yourself. Even if you are not a fan of selfies, you will shift your mind if you purchase one. This reliable selfie stick takes care of it all. It doesn't take a lot of space in your bag, and can be a great bonding tool as well. Insta360 is an invisible, high-quality selfie stick, and you'll get the most bang for your buck with this. It's compact enough to fit in your pocket, only 11.22 inches long, yet can be extended up to 47.24 inches. It is lightweight and sturdy, and can be used with a camera individually, or with a camera and sports accessories. You can take this selfie stick anywhere, making it great for sports, outdoor, and family events. Insta360 Invisible Selfie Stick. Pros and cons. Pros: automatically hidden by camera. Long extended length, up to 47.24 inches. Good price, lightweight, easy to use, and well made. Cons: limited compatibility. No Bluetooth. Several complaints on durability. Insta360 Invisible Selfie Stick. By features: durability, 9.6. Lightweight, 9.7. Sturdiness, 9.7. Easy to use, 9.7. Value for money, 9.7. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Extra long selfie stick. Designed to extend from 25.5 centimeters, or 11.22 inches, at its shortest, to an impressive 120 centimeters, or 47.24 inches. This extendable, ultra-long selfie stick can be collapsed and taken anywhere. Multi-angle, 360 degrees rotation, will help you to capture every wonderful moment in your sports adventures. Premium quality and durable. Made from aviation aluminum, with top and bottom screw of 1/4 inches of a standard screw, black color, lightweight 162 grains or 0.36 pounds only. The stick is strong, durable, and corrosion resistant. Anti-slip, soft holder, provides great stability and grip, allowing you to film with confidence. Easy to use. You simply adjust by setting the pole to the desired length to ensure a perfect shot for any occasion or environment. You can even extend the length further by adding another Insta360 selfie stick end-to-end for amazing distance shooting, both for selfie and group photos. Compatibility. Compatible with 1R, 1X, 1, and Evo cameras, this selfie stick is the camera's perfect companion, automatically concealed in photos and videos by advanced algorithms. Can be used with bullet time handle to shoot bullet time. Innovative technology. You won't see the selfie stick in your 360 shots, giving you unobstructed, impossible angles. If for any reason you are unhappy with the product, contact online customer support, and they promise to do their very best to solve your problem for your satisfaction. Based on over 560 customer reviews, and an overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. Invisible Selfie Stick, by Insta360, is automatically detected and concealed in your 360 degrees photos and videos by advanced algorithms of compatible cameras. Here's what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Get 2 when 1 won't do. Purchase 2 of these to put end-to-end when just 1 won't do for a 360 picture. Use the 2-stick method at Notre Dame, since they erected a 9-foot fence with barbed wire after the fire, and I wanted to see what was on the other side. Says Bruce Ferjulian. 5 stars. The nicest selfie stick around. I love the Insta360 Invisible Selfie Stick. I got it to use with my Insta360 Nano S, and it works great. The stick is lightweight, but feels well made, far better than those cheap ones that you see everywhere. It easily locks both extended and compacted, and stays as it should. The build quality feels great, and the grip makes it feel secure in the hand. The Insta360, Invisible Selfie Stick, is great for shooting 360 degrees content. It's lightweight, easy to use, and well made, at a price point far better than others. I highly recommend it. Says Ben. 5 stars. Works great with Insta360 One X. I had a cheap selfie stick that I initially used with the Insta360 One X, and because the stick had some flex, the cheap selfie stick was not invisible, erased, by the Insta360. This stick is sturdy and stiff, so the Insta360 erase evidence of the stick. Well, I think it is easy to use. People complaining about how the stick does not stay extended might have a stick that is a little loose, because on my stick, once you twist it to lock it, it stays that way. Says Curtis H. 5 stars. Light, sturdy, could be cheaper. It could be cheaper, still, it's a great addition to your video equipment, very light and thin, it feels sturdy. Not only for the One and One X, you can use this with any light device, which has a standard 1/4 socket. It also has a socket on the bottom, so you can mount it on a tripod, etc. Says Fernando. 4 stars. Good product. Product as described. Says Ramon Roca. 1 star. It broke, don't bother. It broke when I twisted it. Says Scott. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.